What's up guys, it's Aaron from How To's by Bros. In this video we will be showing you exactly an upper body workout without weights for beginners at home. Without weights. I already said that. Alright, subscribe, hit that notifications bell for more videos. Let's dive right into the video guys. Let's dive right into it guys. So I'm just going to be doing biceps, back and core. So I hope you guys. So first of all, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be doing 10 pull-ups. Okay? So we're going to be doing 10 pull-ups. You can obviously use a pull-up bar in your house. Hopefully you have a pull-up bar. If not, you can use put two chairs together and then put like a broom and then pull up, doing rows, like pulling up, like straight up. So, all right, 10 pull-ups. You're good, you're good. Nice. Good job, guys. Nice, keep it up. Moving on to knee ups. So what you're gonna do is hang down and then just bring your knees up. 10 of them. All right, 10 more pull-ups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good work, guys. Now knee ups. 1, 2. If you want to make the knee ups harder, put your feet straight out and do leg raises. Good work. 10 pull-ups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good work, guys. Knee ups or leg raises. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, guys, that's the workout. Hope you guys enjoyed it. That's a quick workout to get you in shape for beginners at home. Be sure to click the link in the description for my story, and I'll talk to you guys later. God bless.